for coming out. We know it's warm, and we're about to heat things up a whole lot more tonight. Before we get started, we're going to do a little Facebook, Instagram, Twitter live. This is Max over here in the corner at ringside. So what Max is going to do is he's going to make his way from here. He's going to go all the way around the ring. And as Max comes by with his camera, I want you to make a lot of noise. I want you to keep making noise until Max circles the ring completely. We're going to put you on our social media pages so that we can show your pretty faces off to the world, all right? You guys think you can handle that? On the count of 3, Max, are you ready? All right, here we go. Get ready to make some noise, Lexington. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, let's go! You guys take direction very well. That's awesome. So if you post any pictures or if you do any videos tonight, if you put them on social media, be sure and hashtag OVW Live, because tonight, before the main event, we're going to pick a winner and we're going to give you some OVW swag, all right? So if you're on those social apps, be sure and hashtag OVW Live. Be sure and post your pictures and your videos. We'll pick a winner later tonight and give you some free stuff, all right? Are you ready for some action? Ladies and gentlemen, before we get going, we ask that everyone please rise as we honor our men and women serving here and abroad and our first responders with the playing of the national anthem. Ladies and gentlemen, before we get our first match going, I just want to let everyone know we want you to have a great time tonight. We want you to boo for the ones that you don't like. We want you to cheer for the ones that you do like. What we don't want you to do is we don't want you to throw anything at, toward, or in the ring, and we ask that you please refrain from touching any of our wrestlers, as they will touch you back, and that won't end well for anyone, so we don't want that to happen. What about a high five? A high five is cool, just not a high five to the forehead. That probably would not be so cool. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get going. Get ready for some OVW action. The following contest is one fall with a 15-minute time limit. Introducing first, making his way to the ring, accompanied by the OVW Women's Champion, Hollywood Haley J. He is fresh off the VIP lounge, the star of the whole damn shizzo, the complete package, Tony Bizzo. And his opponent, from Thunder Island, Mr. Juicy himself, Luscious Lawrence! Juicy Lashes!